Hello guys, welcome to another Bergehost tutorial. So in this tutorial, I'm going to be teaching you how to fix your website whenever you come across this error. I'll have to zoom in. It says fatal error, allowed memory, the size of the memory that is needed, and the one that is allocated to your website. So this is a very simple issue to fix. So in case of next time, whenever you encounter this issue on your website, all you have to do is simply go to your cPanel login, to your cPanel account. Already, I'm logged into my cPanel account. What will I do? I'll just simply go to the software tab. I'll go to software tab and look for multi PHP INI editor. Let me zoom in a bit so that this will be visible. So look at this here, multi PHP INI editor, or I'll just simply search on the search bar and search for multi PHP. Look at it already here. So if I click from here, it's the same place it will take me. If I click here as well, this is the same place it will take me. So it brings me to this page where I'll select the domain name. I'll select the domain name. This might be covered in your screen because of privacy issues. So I wouldn't want to display the name of my domain. So once it opens here, I'll simply go to memory limit. I'll simply go to memory limit and increase this. This was 32 that's megabyte. Now I'll have to increase it to 302 or even larger, depending on the allocation your web hosting gives. You now click apply. Now it has successfully applied our changes. Now we'll have to go back to our website and load it. Now as you can see, our website is showing our preloader page, and that fix